If you know it
At the right time,
if you know it
at the right time.
बस कहना Unilope. If you make it
You're a winner
in the marriage industrial complex. Let me tell you, we have come, me and Akansha have definitely come from the time when everyone knew about Shaadi.com and Bharat Matrimonial and stuff.
Yeah.
But Akansha, we are even now in the middle of a pandemic.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you noticed that marriages are still happening?
Dude, forget happening, they're multiplying. Okay, because people were so
Marriages are having little baby marriages.
People were so lonely during the pandemic. Even the people who were like, "Hat, मेरे को शादी नहीं करना मामा, bye." They were like, "छी बहुत सड़ू है, बहुत bore होता है life में. You need a partner." That's so
I
many
can't stay with my
people.
parents anymore. This is awful.
That plus that. So many people were like, I'm open to getting married. I want to look for somebody right now. I want to get married right now. Did we not have 4 marriages in our group? this
Yeah,
year?
we had.
During the pandemic.
Shit, we had 4.
Like I had 4, so I think combined we
I'm
had 3.
sure that I also had, somewhere like.
Yeah.
I'm losing count.
Yeah.
I'm losing count of who's married now.
So
I think it
many
mainly
times I
comes.
dressed up fancy and sat in front of my TV. Like, so ridiculous. But I get it. They are lonely. They want to move into a different house. They can't wait. Like, कि चलो कुछ तो करते हैं.
Yeah.
कुछ तो.
Yeah, it's really wild.
Yeah.
But since we've come from the Bharat Matrimonial Shaadi.com era,
Yeah.
I just want to tell you that what my friends and acquaintances are doing now is essentially getting an app. Okay, so they download an app.
So, but
and-
it's इनका ही app, Shaadi.com का app.
No, there are many more now, obviously.
Achha.
See,
No, but what is
Shaadi.com,
trusted? Because I-
Shaadi.com, BharatMatrimonial.com, I think just made like a shit ton of profit in 2020 because everyone wanted to get married. And since these are the ones that you immediately think of, I think people sign up for these.
Yeah,
like
makes sense, no? That's
had,
where your audience is.
They had all their branding and marketing ground already plowed and
कब से चल
sown.
रहा
Like
है?
everything has been happening for a while.
Like the markets opened in 90, Shaadi.com was there in 97.
Shit, really?
Groundwork का मतलब.
So
We were
obviously-
5 for context.
Correct. But obviously these things have been happening, and Shaadi.com, Bharat Matrimonial obviously also have that casting put into their
Inbuilt.
system.
Because if you have to work in India, you have to.
Correct. So, and most people marry within their caste. But now apps that exist, they exist only for, say, Brahmins.
Oh shit.
And only for...
Like some other caste.
yeah, like only like that. I know about the Brahmin one specifically because a bunch of my friends were on it. And they could find only Brahmin boys. Now see, obviously it's an app. Even if you're not a Brahmin, you can probably sign up for it. But obviously people are not going to do that because it feels weird.
Not just weird, just wrong. Everything about this conversation is weird.
So, like, how I found out about this app was also really funny because one of my friends was jokingly telling me कि इस app पे I found one of our seniors.
Got it.
And I was like, oh, and how Maharashtrians have this AA thing business. Like, if you're a Kar or an A, you are probably a Brahmin.
Okay, I did not know this.
Yeah, like
Achha, I didn't know.
Purandare is a Brahmin.
Oh, okay,
like,
okay.
like
Got
that.
it.
So, and then I noticed that all these people who were talking about that app had that AA surname. Then I
She
was
did
like,
some sleuthing.
very, very intense sleuthing that occurred to me on that spot, like that. And then the senior they were talking about was also a Kardare. So I was like, is this an app that's specific to you guys? Like, yeah, it's for Maharashtrian Brahmins. I was like, what? So basically, how you download Tinder and Bumble, these things are like that only. You're okay, right?
I'm fine.
So these things are like Tinder and Bumble only because you
it's
get to
the
swipe
same
on
thing.
people.
I don't know why it upset me so much because it's the same thing. Like that's happening everywhere else. It's just that the fact that they made it so.
And it's
I don't
called
know.
also something.
You can touch and all. It's very weird. I can't deal.
Wait,
It's
let me get
different
this
for
straight.
download.
You're okay for touching on Tinder and Bumble, swiping left and right. You're not okay.
Honestly, no, but that's a different conversation.
But what I'm trying to get at is
I
that
get it. No, I feel like it's commodifying, even that is commodifying dating, right?
हाँ,
Like
हाँ.
you have now created a product and you're like basket mein bahar, right? But when you do that for when you're looking for someone you want to marry, and then you add the weight of the Indian caste system on top of it, it becomes
It
very
doesn't
heavy.
feel like-
This
no,
app is very
that's
heavy.
the thing, that it's heavy to you.
Yeah.
To them, it's super light because
So
now they
convenient.
don't have to check only if this person is Brahmin. All these people are Brahmins.
So
they
this
don't
is
have to
like
be like,
safe.
is the boy in my gym who I like a Brahmin? They're
God,
not, it's not
I
like
have a story to
that.
tell you about that.
What's the story? Abhi bol.
हाँ वही तो. So this is when, so I've been dating my husband. I was about to say current husband because I'm a good wife. Anyway, so I've been dating my husband before we got married for like
We shall
9
update
years.
this video with a lower third if Akansha gets a new current husband.
Anyway, for 9 years I dated him before I got married. बहुत अच्छे से research किया मैंने, ठीक है, मैं पैंडा है. Anyway, so during that time in one of my internships, this is an internship that I did in a newspaper, which is supposed to be the most lefty people in the country at least, right? And this other intern was also there, and we were just casually talking. And Ashish was going to come and see me. So I said, oh, my boyfriend is coming, I'm just going to go see him. And she casually, like in the same breath where I'm saying, chalo, main niche jaake aati hai, bye. She was like, oh, you have a boyfriend, what's his caste? And I was like,
You know why
I
she
have-
asked you that, right?
because she cares about me.
No, because she wanted to know if this thing is actually going to turn into a wedding.
Fuck. And so first of all, I was like, I don't know. And then I left. And dude, to this day, I have never asked him that question. But her question has haunted me. How can someone just ask like while you're going to
I think that only.
She didn't even ask what he does.
No, here's the thing though. If you had
What
said
if he was a drug dealer?
if you had said his caste, and she would have been like, oh, मतलब serious नहीं है.
Oh, अगर match नहीं होता तो she'd be like serious नहीं है तो there would be no follow-ups.
हाँ,
But if
like-
it's the same caste, then she would be like, what he does.
Because what does it matter if you've dated him for 9 years? If he's not the same caste, then how you will get married?
I'm very upset.
कांचा भावनाओं को समझो. भावनाओं को समझो. Like
Anyway.
this is all a bhavna game,
Yes.
but it's too specific.
Correct. So now your friends have these
Yeah, these amazing
this Maha Brahmin apps.
Brahmin swipe
Maharashtra
apps.
Brahmin.
But what I'm trying to get at is that
Yeah.
these work like Tinder and Bumble only.
Exactly the same.
Because they literally you swipe left and right on people. I don't
But
know if they
it's-
literally have the swiping, but it's the same thing. You have to accept or accept or
Decline.
reject people.
Got it.
And if you here's the thing though, it's also very very stressful because when you're doing it on Tinder and Bumble, it's
For
very
dating.
casual.
Yeah, it's for dating.
And no one cares at this point. It's literally like putting something on Amazon in your cart.
Yeah.
And then getting rid of it because you're like, I can't afford this. Okay, but in that case, if you swipe right on someone and they don't swipe right on you,
It's like,
it's a big deal because obviously you come to know
you're
that they
getting
swipe.
rejected for shadi. It's
Getting rejected for
feels so much
shadi,
more
and
personal.
I have a friend like this who has been on these apps for years, and now finally she's put down her foot and she's told her parents कि अब होगा तो होगा.
I don't care. Okay.
Like if it
But
happens, it's
tell me
fine.
something. So these apps, they make money on what? If the match works out, like how do they make money?
Then a follow up happens, right? So basically what they're doing is they're using these stats to get more people to invest in it. So same like Tinder and Bumble, how if I don't know how many people use Tinder and Bumble here, but if you pay for their gold edition or their
like a pro
like
edition.
premium editions,
Like
then-
Zomato Pro like that.
correct, you get additional benefits.
Okay.
Like you can see who swiped on you.
Maybe
you
see
can
more
see
details or
more
something.
details about people. I don't know. I think that's on Hinge, but I'm not sure. But you can see all these extra things. You get extra stats and you get more avenues of actually getting a date out of something.
Okay.
Same way, these guys have premium editions where these guys can help you with everything. Hey, but you know what would be great? If these apps and services, they got a cut based on how long the marriage lasts. Like, you know, how those people come to take your population ka, census.
Census.
Like that someone once in a while, every 5 years.
Like I'm from Bharat Matrimony.
Yes, I have a few questions. How often do you fight? Achha.
Happy?
See, then they should get a cut, na? Then they have actually done their job.
Correct.
Why? See, if
Giving them ideas, dude, just do it.
to karne do na, maybe it'll actually work
Yeah.
out. They shouldn't get a
They
cut
should
just
have
because
some
people
la-
are getting married. That's why they join that forum. Yes, they will get married.
I know.
But yeah, what we're trying to get at is that all these companies are making a lot of money based on how you are getting married through them.
Yeah.
Right? Because technically they are the new Simi aunties or whatever.
Yeah.
Because
And
they
by
are
a
doing
lot
all
of
the
money,
chat
matlab,
of
and nothing stops it. Like pandemic didn't stop it. Nothing will ever
Pandemic,
stop.
in fact, made it exponential. Like
Yeah.
so many people got married last year, dude.
Yeah.
So many people.
So this is basically Abhi. Now you have found your significant other through this. You have already paid through your nose to be on this side, to get the right person that your family approved, or the person that you like. You know, whatever has happened has
But the
happened.
good thing about person that you like is that you haven't had to pay all these things so far.
That's true.
Correct. You haven't had to be on
Because
this app. You
Sasta
haven't-
is the best.
Correct. Husband scenes.
Anyway, so now let's move on to the shadi. Okay, so the shadi would traditionally have like whatever your parents want, both sides ka.
Actually, no. Let's make this more personal.
Huh.
Akansha has gotten married. She has gone through this entire process. Now, what did you do first?
Okay, so first I'll start with giving my parents kudos. After that, I will start being very mad at them. Okay, so the reason they deserve kudos is because it was no questions asked as to who I wanted to marry. There was no questions asked about, and even from Ashish's parents' side, they were totally fine with us picking the person we wanted to marry, right? And picking each other. So they were like, "That sounds great. Now do it immediately." So this was when I'm like 24. He's 26. We were like, please, there's no way. So we literally first had to be like, please give us some time to accumulate. Accumulate small finances, just little bit we want to accumulate.
Because everyone knows
Yeah.
nowadays it's very difficult to do
Yeah.
this. It's very difficult, irrespective of
And-
what age you're at.
Correct. And after, so we thought that would be like our biggest battle, you know, where we were like, like push the wedding for a few years.
Correct.
So then they agreed, grudgingly be it, but ऐसा 28 तक push किया अपन ने, अच्छा 3-4 साल. And after that came the actual wedding planning. Now he is Malu. I am part Bengali, part Telugu. So that is 3 different communities. They all have 3 very different wedding styles, right? It started, the first proposal was, we have all of them. All. Soumya, all.
And you all didn't go for like a wedding planner or anything,
No,
did you all?
because
Okay.
that much though, I was like, I understand why. If we had to do all 3, we probably may have needed to, right? If I had to have a full-fledged wedding in Hyderabad, a full-fledged wedding here in Pune, which would probably be Bengali style, and a full-fledged wedding in Kerala, then I would need someone to manage those 2 venues.
Yeah.
Either I would have to wholesale send family members, you know, over there.
This pack of 15 people, you
Go
got
there.
Kerala duty. This pack
Yeah.
of 15 people got Bengal duty.
Either you do that and you wouldn't want to because you would want to celebrate your wedding with those people around you. You would have to get a wedding planner. You'd have to get someone who'll arrange all this for you. How will you do
Hey,
it?
why didn't you
otherwise?
all do it na tera na mera Christian wedding?
That's where we are coming to. We did Na Tera Na Mera, by the way. So we are coming to that. So first of all, I was like, listen, let's take Bengali out of the table completely. एक एक करके हम आते हैं. I'll tell you why. क्योंकि Bengali doesn't really make sense. Telugu wedding के लिए I said I will absolutely not do. Because it takes too damn long. Ask anyone who has had a Telugu wedding, they'll be like, we wanted to kill ourselves with you. It takes 3 days to get married. Everyone gets bored out of their minds, and it is bad. And it's not doable. So I know this, basically this Kashmiri boy who married a Telugu girl. And the both families were super chill in the beginning, but they said only we want Telugu wedding. And the Kashmiri dad said, this sounds good. Okay. Only after the wedding, the dad comes out, tells the Kashmiri boys' friends कि तुम लोग जो भी करो तेलुगु लड़की से शादी नहीं करने का क्योंकि ये शादी नहीं होगा ऐसे इतना लंबा शादी हम नहीं बैठ सकते so there was no animosity before but after the wedding
Wow, dude, wow. I like that. Like, but dude, can you imagine though? 5 दिन का wedding मतलब there will be that much expense also. No?
yeah and so I was like so that way Bengali is out Telugu is
Telugu's
out
out.
I'm willing to do Malu because I've seen it before it takes 3 minutes मैक्सिमम थोड़ा शोशा क्या तो आधा घंटा लगता है उसमें. So I was like, I'm down for the Malu thing, which albeit my parents were not too thrilled about it, but Ashish's mom was very happy about it, and my mom was like, "चलो कुछ तो कर रही है." So because she knows me, she knows like I would not want to do anything, so she's like, "चलो some religious activity she wants to do, she's willing to do," so she's like, "Fine, we'll go with it."
Got it.
Right? But I had to hear occasionally, like, in the Bengali thing, if you did, then so much pretty things would happen. And I'm like, you've met me before, right?
So many things to put on Instagram, Akansha. What the hell? See, this is where I would have
It
come
started with 3 ceremonies, it came down to 1 pretty quickly. Because even they knew 3 was a bit of an ask. Okay. And after that, we were like, cool. So what we'll do is, Ashish and I were like, we'll have a party with our friends, but we'll pay for that. We don't want to, you guys to pay for it. After that, we'll have the shadi thing. And then one chotu reception. Right? This was the idea.
Fair enough, yes.
But I said the reception can be like, you can call whoever, but the shadi has to be very intimate, very small. We'll keep it super close. Everybody said yes. Then the guest list started to come. Now, if the shadi list is reaching 700 people, then...
And for what, dude? For what? Can you imagine those people are coming in Tamil wedding, they're coming to watch you stare into the sky finding North Star in broad daylight. That's what they're coming to watch you do. What is going on?
I have no idea. So I was like, guys, the shadi thing is getting out of hand. But we were still willing to do it. We're like, we'll do it in a certain way. We'll do it. And by the way, everyone has these grand plans. Nobody was executing them. Huh? Only me and Ashley were running around seeing vendors.
See, but that's the difference, no? Like in your case, like you all were already way ahead of the curve.
I'll tell you why. I did not trust them to, like get the cheapest stuff. They would buy the most ridiculous, expensive things. They would get looted. And I was like, that is not happening.
Yeah, but our parents were the ones who taught us how to bargain and all. When our parents became like
शादी
this?
के time
When
सब
our
उड़
parents
जाता है,
became
dude.
like this,
मेरे
like-
को नहीं समझ में आता why this happens.
You know how people say there's a switch in female brains ki when they become moms,
They forget the-
something starts and suddenly they can find everything and suddenly they become like, I think it's a case with parents also. When their child is going to get married, something just switches off in their brain and they don't use it anymore.
And they're like, we will spend everything we have and more, but the wedding should be freaking awesome. So what me and Ashish basically decided, like from day one, is that our job is not to be like, you guys do whatever you want. It's to like rein in aggressively. Because everything when it comes to a wedding is stupidly expensive.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? It's going insane by the day.
And if you let people know that what inquiry you're making is for a wedding, you will get a different cost. So we had to be so careful. Like we made the calls to the hotels. We were like, we are having a ceremony at home. Or we are having a work-related this thing and we need to book these many.
So you all were hiding the fact that it was a
Yeah,
wedding.
because the moment you say it's for a wedding, they're going to be like, sir, you know what we'll do? We'll do a special entry for the Shadi ka guest. For that, it will cost only 40,000 more. What we'll do is we'll give a hamper in each of the rooms. That will cost only this much more per room. Dude, it is crazy. We'll arrange the bus for you. So they are putting it as package deals. That is a bargain, but it's a money sink. You don't need any of that. You can hire a bus. Bus वाले को भी नहीं बताने का ये शादी के लिए. Right? Hotel वाले को नहीं बताना है शादी के लिए.
Just good tips
Right?
if you are thinking of getting married.
One place you can't avoid is the marriage hall because they know शादी के लिए. वो तो
That
बताना
would be
पड़ेगा.
really funny though.
Be
If you
like, it's for a conference.
But you know what? Honestly, this is the first time I've heard this actually, and it's actually a very good. It's a good tip for
It's a great
anybody
tip.
who's like, don't say it's for a wedding.
And
You will get
This
double,
is
triple
the
cost.
hilarious thing. So because my dad is has an army background, luckily the venue also became more affordable for us because we could get it in the Army Institute. So we thought this is a safe space. Apparently not. So we went there. Venue is selected. Now only choice you have to make is between the 3 empaneled decorators that they have.
Got it.
We liked this one decorator. He had they keep calling you when they set up dusri shadis. Ki, this is one style we can do. This is another style we can do. We like this one particular style. And we were meeting his second in command the whole time. So when he was like, oh, we liked a particular style, he's like, okay, I'll get you to meet my boss. So you guys come on that day. And for all this time, me and Ashish were only going and seeing the decoration. Like our parents had been like, tum log dekh kya, tumko pasand hai to theek hai. But for that final meeting, my parents had come and me and Ashish also joined. And we looked around. So decoration was done for a different wedding, same style as we wanted. That guy was there, second in command was there. हमने देखा. Mom was like, अच्छा लगा, you kids liked it. Both of us were like, yeah, it looks very nice, it's very nice. So before this, my dad had a conversation with him कि how much will this thing cost. He had given him a number. Next day, dad is like, you come over, we'll finalize the deal. Dad is like, उसने बोला तो इतना था, whatever 2 lakh, whatever, 1.5. But I'm sure we can get it less. Like we'll start the argument there. We'll get it
we'll
less.
be like, nahi, we want it.
He
less.
comes there, he has doubled his amount. He's like, oh, what I told you was different. We did it slightly differently, but my amount is now. I don't remember the actual amounts. I'm going to say if it was 1.5, he's saying 3 lakhs
3.
now.
But
3 lakhs for decoration for one day.
But based on what?
That's what we are coming to. All of us were sitting like, why are you increasing the price now when we are finalized? And all of this, एक दिन में क्या हुआ? Then he let it out. The final thing that he said, आपके दामाद को पसंद आया ना? Just because Ashish was there and he said he liked something, this man thought that we cannot not go for it. Like we have to get that kind of decoration in. We are tied in because the groom liked it.
So it was a patriarchal thing.
Not just patriarchal, it's also, he knows in business, in his business, he knows his business. It works. If the ladka ka side has asked for something, you cannot as the ladki ka side not do it. So because Ashish looked around and said, yes, it's very nice, this man was like, pay me double because he
I'll
has liked
give you
it.
the same exact thing.
Yeah, because he has liked it and now, अभी उनका अब राय ले लिया है, उनके राय को तो आप वो नहीं करोगे. You won't insult him by changing it. On the phone, I was like, you insult him.
I will insult you on the spot if you want to go in for that decorator. Insult.
And this I was saying, Papa, what bullshit, tell him to get out. And Ashish was next to me, he's like, मेरे को phone दे, मैं बताता उसको. मैं बताता मेरे को कितना पसंद आया. So literally about 2 weeks before the actual event,
wild though, dude.
the decorator we had selected for months ago, we changed because of this. But this is the industry. These are the things where they nichodo people because he is not a fool. He's an asshole, but he's not a fool. He knows that this works, that he can squeeze people like this. And this happens in every step of the way. This is inside an army institute, by the way, that this is happening.
Where
You can
already
imagine bahar
people,
kya hoga.
exactly. It must be already cheaper than outside.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
So,
But you know what this has made me think of? That if you have 5 children, by the time you get to the 5th one, you'll be like, fuck off.
you will
Fuck
have
off.
to be like...
We are going to have a court marriage. Only.
So that's what it finally came to. Because dealing with these vendors, then the decorator, that was for the reception. So the one ceremony that I decided to do, the Malu ceremony, to set that up, each and every vendor was so infuriating that I was like, this is done. We are going back to original plan. We wanted a court marriage, we're doing a court marriage.
My God.
So we scrapped the religious ceremony. We directly on the reception day, before the reception, we signed our papers. That was our marriage. And then we did this. It was
and this
literally
is wild because all these expenses are coming from outside. So technically it is the industry that is boxing people in. Like it's the industry that's telling you what you should be doing.
Yeah. And putting things in people's mind like, if you don't do this much also, then what will people say? अगर आप ये भी नहीं करोगे तो अगर 4 cuisine नहीं होंगे तो इटालियन चाइनीज जापानीज बदतमीज व्हाटएवर अगर नहीं होगा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे एंड आई ऑलवेज थॉट लोग क्या कहेंगे वाज अ फिल्मी thing, like it's not real, it's very real.
And this is, dude, that's the worst part ki this was actually the best case scenario where they got their way and they could actually they had a say in it, or they actually had that opinion ki we are not going to spend too much on this.
Also,
this
I have
is
to be honest, like we could enforce our will without ruining relationships with our parents on both sides, because that is not worth it. No, at the end of the day.
Think about it this way also, na, ki you guys had that opinion ki you want to save money, but what about the people who don't have that opinion? This marriage is the biggest thing that is going to happen to them for years to come. These people are made to take advantage of those people. Like the people in the industry
are like, come.
Because this Dama thing though would have worked like anything on somebody who is actually traditionally like traditional minded, or you know this marriage is going to be like there's an actual stat, no, that most men spend 1/5 of their lifetime earnings on their daughter's wedding.
Yeah.
And that is an insane stat if you come to think about it.
Their lifetime's earnings, dude. That's a person's life.
Because even people like Ambani and all, they have this thing. They have decided कि अगर शादी हो रहा है तो 1/10 of my network only I'll spend. Now for them,
Not that also you need to 2%.
so that, see, what I'm saying is that's a lot for them, because that's a lot of money because their net worth is a lot. But think about you.
Yeah.
What is your net worth? If Ambani is only spending 1% of his net worth, I should also spend only 1% of my net
Yeah,
worth.
that's the Ambani scale.
And that person knows he's a finance person. He's living in money and he's only spending, he can make a house out of money and live in it.
Scrooge McDuck. And he's decided only to spend 2 of his golden coins.
हाँ ना, मतलब it's
crazy.
ridiculous. Like, if he is making these decisions, who are you? You are not an Ambani. Why are you spending like one?
And it is encouraged widely because everyone knows कि इसमें बहुत पैसा है. So India spends the second largest amount of money on marriages in the world. The first is the US, and that's a first world country, also like one of the richest.
Also weddings are premium for them. Like,
Right.
like it's the same thing that you said, na? Ki
Yeah.
if you're saying it's for a wedding, everything will be double the price.
Yeah.
It's the same for them, but it's way more.
Yeah, and we are only second to them, and not by much. So I think the Anurag, what are the numbers for that? It was 70 billion, right?
70 billion for the
US, and 50 billion is us. 70
And we're getting there 50 billion
and
though.
50.
Like, I
And they
feel.
are growing, they are plateaued.
Yeah.
So
we are
उनका अभी
growing.
they have had enough. They're like नहीं चाहिए ये सब शोशा, and we are like more शोशा, more what Priyanka Chopra Jonas. I don't know, like it's just getting worse out here, and we're spending.
First, how manipulative the industry.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they are literally boxing people in. See, this Dhamma thing takes you on so many levels.
Right.
See, now, like, already the Shadi.com people and all are manipulating you. See, for example, what the Shadi.com people can do is they can keep like most of their data. And they can only show you 10 people again and again, for
Till
example.
you pay up
Till
to
you
see
pay,
more.
and then they'll be like, oh, here are 50 more people. It's so easy for them to do because you don't know what is out there, na?
Right.
You don't know how much information they have, how many people they have on their database or whatever.
Yeah.
So the same thing with the apps. The apps ke liye it's so easy. Like till
Yeah.
they pay a premium price, it's so easy. So
Like how about
everybody-
they say in a year you can only see 10 profiles, or year or month or
like
whatever.
already
If someone
there is
is
like that
desperate, they'll pay
boxing.
more.
Already that boxing in is happening. You're already paying. You've not even got to the wedding stage,
And you're
you're
paying.
already paying.
A premium.
Yeah, and then it comes to planning the wedding. It's a different thing that you guys took an onus on yourself.
Yeah.
But people go to actual wedding
Guys,
planners.
it was, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was scary. Seeing, it was like vultures out there, and you have to protect your parents. Like, and I would tell this to anyone who's going through the marriage process, protect your parents. Because it is a scene. Dude, कहाँ से ढूंढ के calls आते थे यार उनको, like if they went to one venue to see a venue, say they basically, before my parents settled on the Army Institute, they thought they'll see a few other venues also. Moment you see the venue, उस venue के सारे empaneled, the caterers, the flower person, the music person, the DJ guy, whatever, they are given your number. They start calling you saying, I'll do this for you, and then you start thinking कि maybe this I have to do. Something you had never thought of doing. If you had not thought of getting a DJ, now you're thinking of getting a DJ.
Wow. It is way too complex, dude.
Yeah,
There's so
it's-
many. See, obviously, we all know that so many things are involved in a wedding.
Yeah.
But if all these people are like,
In
moving
cahoots.
in on you and like try to get you to pay up so that they can do something for you.
A wedding for like a parent or even for yourself, dude, it's an emotional thing. So they know they can squeeze you more. You will not pay more for your groceries than what is the price, because it is not an emotional thing. But when it comes to shadi, it's emotional. If someone says, oh, you're not even willing to pay 20,000 more for the happiness of your child, what the fuck are you supposed to do?
They use
Right?
that line.
And they say it like
they
that.
do use that line. I can imagine.
Dude, I went to the jewel. This is so irritating. To the jeweler again. My parents were like, "We'll get you something," and chalo, banta hai. So I was like, "ठीक है." And the lady was like, "Gold bangles, you won't give your daughter." And I literally told her to shut up. It was a scene. Because she said once, bangles dekhenge ma'am. Mama was like, oh, bangles you want? I said, no, I don't want bangles. Mama, I'll never wear them. They'll just lie in the safety deposit box and all. Mama was like, no, but full set mein to... Because she had forgotten about bangles. This lady reminded. Then again the lady said, bangles, very nice. And she took out 2. I said, please put them down. I don't want it. So she put it down. Third time, I went to check on some paperwork with dad. like for the stuff that we had bought. When I come back, the bangles are out. She's telling my mom this sentence that, and it looks good in a set. It's your daughter gets married only once. I literally said, please mind your own business. Keep them inside. We will not buy anything from here if you continue.
Also, I'll get married how many times I want. Thank you very much.
अरे पर उससे सेल थोड़ी ना होता है. और मतलब ज्वेलरी शॉप में बैंगल्स खरीदो, इट इज नॉट अ स्मॉल अमाउंट. Like so.
This is just like, it's just added on to so many things that were already in my head about this, because I actually have never spoken to Akansha about these things, because these are like so monetary, like it feels,
It just doesn't happen.
I feel like until I reach my wedding stage, I don't think we would ever. Then Akansha, how she was protecting her parents, would probably protect me.
Yeah.
It's like that, because she's gone through it already. She knows where all the expenditure is happening, and she's like, she's like, oh my god.
And she is scarred.
Fuck, dude. But then seriously, see, but what are these wedding people selling? Like, say you are a wedding planner.
Yeah.
People are not selling their services anymore. People are selling a story.
For sure.
So the thing about these wedding planners are कि they want you to see their vision firstly, and if you already have a vision, good for them.
Yeah, उनका काम कम है.
Correct,
Concept भी
because
नहीं करने
say I have seen one of my friends' wedding videos, and I'm like, मेरे को ऐसे ही चाहिए. So already I will go to that person only, na. I'll be like, हाँ, tell me who you got it made from and all. I will go to them only.
Correct.
But then their job at this point is not to sell you कि हम video बनाएंगे. Their job at this point is to sell you कि we will make you look like this, and we will make your story feel this way.
Yeah, like it'll एकदम like how you met, how
And-
जब we met feels will come.
And this is also a money making thing only, because the more effort they are going to put in to make your story sell to you, they're literally selling your story to you, because who else are you going to sell this to?
And see, your friends will probably watch it once, so it's not for an audience.
You will probably watch it once. I don't know, man. Like, I know many people watch their wedding videos again and again. I can't imagine going through that torture.
But see, उनके लिए torture नहीं है ना.
That's
I'm
what
saying
now-
कि वो product सिर्फ आपके लिए है.
Yeah, they're
Our friends
selling
max
this
एक बार
product
देखेंगे.
to you. They are
Yeah.
making you believe this.
Yeah.
And they can make your story whatever you want. Like,
I've seen some really good
Yeah,
stuff. Good,
and-
by good I mean like high level production, good stories. Only it has nothing to do with the couple.
it's nothing to do with them. Like, see, as a friend,
Yeah.
say you went and made like a extravagant wedding video, and you were like, and then he proposed to me, and then it was so beautiful, and I'd be like, "Hey, ये कब हुआ?"
ये तो हुआ ही नहीं.
So the whole point is that they want to make this look romantic. They want to
They
make
wanna
this
sell that
look
Hollywood,
flowery.
Bollywood stuff.
Yeah, and this entire thing obviously is very influenced by media, 100% influenced by media. But it also makes these people feel good. Ki at this point in our lives, which is a peak for many people,
The shadi
yeah,
Oh, boy.
they were heroes.
and heroines. Yes.
And that is what these people are selling to these people. Ki we will make you feel this way. This opportunity will never come again.
Never come again.
Same with the gold bangle
Arey,
lady.
people
This
have said that
opportunity
to me.
never again.
What she just said, people have said it to me. कि मांग लो जो मांगना है, फिर से कभी नहीं आएगा ये opportunity. And I used it for one thing. This मांगो जो मांगना है nonsense. I was like, Mom, can I buy new Nike shoes? They'll be rose gold in color.
Small things.
And
that
mom
matter.
was like, of course. And she went to her own business.
See,
And
that
I was
seems-
nervous for
see,
asking.
But that seems so small in comparison to gold bangles. Now think about it.
That was the other way around. She's like, please take these gold back. I was like, hey, what is wrong with you?
Nike shoes,
उतने में गाड़ी आ जाता है.
which will be more useful.
I agree.
Like, see, that's why when people give all these mixie and all as wedding gift, I'm like, हाँ, correct.
It's
This
the
is what we
best
need. Correct है ये.
Phase 2 of tips. Okay. First tip is this. Never tell them you're getting married. In fact, don't tell anybody. Just get married. Okay. That is the safest way. Second
That's the
tip.
best way to save money. Because then you'll not have to pay like 1,000 to 20 people ka like hotel and whatever. Because that also people don't pay.
Yeah, you have to
pay.
Tip number 2. Have a wedding registry. Now in India, you don't have it like on Amazon, like it's not that easily available, but there are like websites which do registries for you. Now you will never ever be able to convince your parents to send their friends a link to what gifts you want, but at least you can send your own friends that link, and you will get exactly what you want. So in my house, I have the exact mixie I want, the exact hand blender, even the microwave is a gift. It's great.
And then you also save on stuff. Like, say something is gone, no one's gonna buy you another one. Like, there's no waste of money. Like, that thing is gone. Someone's already taken it.
Correct. But so just an extra tip, man. This is nothing to do with what we're talking about.
Don't do it. Like, if you don't want to. But see, what we're trying to get at is there are many ways of saving money in this crazy mess that the Indian marriage industry has become.
It's a mess only for the people getting married. Otherwise, it's very profitable. So if I was giving you a business lesson, and we were talking about, what are the great ideas, okay, what are the things we can really revolutionize, okay? So like how people do with IT and telecom and 5G, I'd be like, marriage market mein karo na.
हाँ, correct ना. Like,
बहुत पैसा है.
I feel, see, that's what it's become though. In fact, like just before we started this podcast, like yesterday or something, I was watching this news thing of Al Jazeera. They had done like this coverage on Indian marriages.
Got it.
ठीक है? And this was 2011, and some person who was like this wedding planner or whoever was there in that, she was talking about, no, this is not a very developed industry yet. It's still in its nascent stages. 2011, dude, we are just 10 years from there. And it has already become corporatized. Like literally, if you go to a wedding planner, they will have all the vendors available to you.
But right now, it's a wedding planner in a city. Soon you'll be able to log into a website like Shaadi.com or like Amazon.
I'm sure it's already on
Amazon
its
is probably
way,
the better example, and be like, I want this package. जिसमें मेरे को ऐसा hall
And
चाहिए,
I'm
इतना
sure
लोग
people
चाहिए.
are already offering this, dude. Like
है ना?
already
It
हो
already
रहा है ये.
exists.
And what I'm trying to get at is there is no way to save money in that.
Yeah.
Whatever is the package
Because now
का
that is
amount,
the MRP. Abhi, what are you gonna do?
and this is all a literal acclimatization नहीं है. It's an
Accumulation.
accumulation of everything that we've discussed so far. Every aspect of weddings has been put into this package,
For you
so
to-
then you end up
to
spending
buy.
like 1 crore of rupees.
Right. Or like way more than you can, or you should.
And people taking loans and all for weddings, dude, nowadays. Like there
Not
is-
nowadays, forever. Since forever.
वो तो है ही.
क्योंकि इतना emotional.
Literally, I
चीज़ है.
feel like what they've just replaced the dowry system with all this shit. Like if
Best
dowry
case
is
scenario.
not, if dowry is not being taken,
Worst
all
case
this is
scenarios,
happening.
both is happening. Dowry is also happening. This is also happening.
Woohoo! Party.
So the best case scenario कि वो dowry नहीं दे सकते तो और कैसे देंगे that is best case scenario.
Dude, actually, this thing now.
My mom and dad went for a wedding where the return gift was a gold coin. Return gift. Are we 11 years old?
return gift.
What is this? ले लिया ना उन्होंने भी लिया अभी रिटर्न गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं तो ले लिया अपन ने.
Someone's offering you a gold
I have
coin.
to add this. Okay, so it was a commemorative gold coin, जैसे how Queen का निकलता है ना,
हाँ,
which had the couple का ऐसा the
हाँ. Oh no.
भाई
Like at least सिर्फ नाम लिखने का था, year लिखने का था. ये क्या है?
कोरोनेशन ऑफ ऐसा उनका नोज वगैरह बना हुआ उसके ऊपर.
I'm
इतना
sure many
पैसा खर्च किया गोल्ड का कॉइन
they
बनवाया
got it embossed.
और हम बस हंस रहे
People's
देखना.
side profile.
This is only nobody else gives a shit is what I want to tell you.
People will take it. People will probably like get
Only
money
people
for it.
are trying to sell you nonsense that no one else gives a shit about. Just make yourself happy. Spend only that.
I didn't know about this, but you know what this thing now about how much people can spend and how people take advantage of it. Like
Yeah.
if I was just attending a wedding, मेरे लिए तो कितने मजे है. Like I'm not spending on this wedding because I'm not nobody is
And you're
targeting
just
me.
really like, पता नहीं मतलब
I think
रसमलाई
they
थोड़ा
should
dry था.
Chinese खा के मुझे थोड़ा diarrhea हो गया था. Like that was the only thing that I can take away from this wedding. But what I'm trying to get at is, so some of my friends from the States, they had gone to their Indian friend's wedding. So they were telling me about it because they had just come back and they were like, and they're white people, and they're like, they are like, we went there and whatever, it was really great. We were set up in this Taj hotel and
We were set up in this Taj hotel.
in this Taj hotel and 5 days के लिए कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा था. Like there was a really nice mehndi ceremony जिसके लिए ये था. There was a color scheme and whatever, and we had to get like accordingly dressed and whatever stuff. So they were telling me all this, and then I was like, I hope you guys know this is not normal. Like, I just want to put it out there that this is not normal. You should know this. And they were like, oh, so this doesn't happen to all Indian. I was like, yeah, it doesn't happen to all Indian weddings. And this is actually, I guess this person is really rich. Because there is no way that my family would set you up in the Taj.
For 5 days.
They would probably give you gaddi and make you sleep in the living room.
As you should.
So like it's just what it is. And then I was like, who is this person? And then she was like, she told me some name. Obviously her name meant nothing to me. But then she's asking her boyfriend, her dad owns na something, some chain. Barbecue Nation की बेटी थी वो. The guy who
She was the daughter of Barbecue Nation.
Barbecue Nation की बेटी थी वो. And I was like, oh fuck me. And they were like, "Arey, that restaurant has those barbecue stuff." I was like, Barbecue Nation. The place that can afford to give you endless entrees.
अभी उसकी शादी में 4 कुजीन नहीं हुआ तो मैं भी थूथू करके आया.
But what I'm trying to tell you is that see ना बाकी के लोग तो ऐसे मजे मान के जाते हैं ना, like they are going to be like
These
that.
white people are like so nice.
See, so if an auntie is giving your mother advice on what to do for your wedding, she just wants to attend that wedding.
Yeah. Like if it'll be very prestigious if you set us all up in the
See, like
Taj.
it's my goal also. So I have one Punjabi friend who is close to me. I'm going to make him have the grandest wedding because I want to attend one of them. Modern problems require modern solutions. Oof, what a ride though. I feel
I'm tired.
But see, what we're trying to get at is nothing personal to anybody, but marriage is a personal thing.
Yeah, it's very, you know what people say, it was a very intimate affair. You know what, it is an intimate affair.
The thing is, that's what it essentially is.
Yeah.
It's just two people who want to spend the rest of their lives together.
And literally even that part is true, where two families are sort of coming together
sort
forever.
of bonded.
Yeah.
What we're trying to get at is that is what the crux of the marriage is, and not the
Extravagant
accessories
money.
that have been piled onto it just to commercialize the whole thing.
So true.
Like,
I mean, I could not if that's why once I said, like, what do you actually need? You need 2 people and 1 person officiating. Right? And that is still true. Like, because that is what it's all about, and everything on top of it
is an excess.
If you want it,
It's
it's
a
about
different
you.
thing. Yeah.
And how you want it is also about you. You have to be very careful that you're not getting led on, because this whole industry of 50 billion USD depends on showing you something you don't want and making you buy it for
And
something
making you
emotional.
want it / buy it.
Yeah.
Selling it to you.
Yeah.
You are paying for this thing.
Your own hard-earned money, man. Like, fuck. नहीं जाने देने का, नहीं देने का किसी को. रखो अपने पास. खुद के लिए खर्च करो, man.
Oh my god.
ये
Seriously
क्या है?
though, if you have amazing marriage stories for us to hear, please put it in the comments. We would love to read all of them, honestly.
Yeah. Because this is personal and it's super relatable. I'm sure that everyone has had some part of this process. Everybody has been through.
has been bugging you for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, put it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Padaku Panda. We put out new episodes every Friday and new content every Tuesday also. So
Watch.